Yeah.
Yeah. Now then. See, so this is how we need to work now. Digitally, virtually, we need to access
Yeah.
with the network issues also.
And think about the children, they have to do their online classes at home.
Yeah, this homeschooling is actually tough for parents as well to deal with it.
Yeah.
They need to be along
Yes.
for
So
hours and
that's what we
hours.
were talking about. Like, you have to be mentally very strong. It's
Yeah.
really important to be mentally very strong. You know, it's like हमारा जो दिमाग है ना, it's like garbage in and garbage out. So we need to feel good things so that we can throw out good things. Positivity has to be thrown out. Meditations should be done. Okay. I get many people who say, Gitika, हम तो लिमसी ले रहे हैं, विटामिन सी की टैबलेट. हम लिमसी क्यों ले रहे हैं? हम विटामिन सी क्यों नहीं खा रहे? हम ऑरेंजेस क्यों नहीं खा रहे? We need to eat good diet, and we can include like all fruits and vegetables in our diet, and we should drink a lot of water. Hydration level high rakho. We can have coconut water. You can have, even if we're having dalias, you can have wheat dalia with a lot of vegetables. We're having chowmin, we can have wheat chowmin with a lot of vegetables. So just make it healthy for kids also. बच्चों को हम एक और अच्छी चीज दे सकते हैं. So we can give them हल्दी वाला दूध.
Right.
So like milk and haldi, if we give them turmeric wala milk, because I believe turmeric is the best thing for your walling for kids also. And probiotics hota hai na Yakult. Probiotics are also very good because it's like important. They can take that as well.
But what about us who are stepping out and getting into dangerous zone every day? I stay at
Oh,
an orange zone, but I enter red zone every day.
but then in that case the turmeric water is very good, and you have to be mentally, you know, stress free. Don't take a lot of stress about it. You have to be mentally strong, and just we just have to keep on washing our hands and take good diet. इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग होगी तो बॉडी वॉरियर बन जाएगी. You know what? America is facing a syndrome called mental. There's a syndrome called metabolic syndrome. ओके एंड मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम में क्या है सुरभि कि क्योंकि वहां पे मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम इसीलिए हुआ क्योंकि वो लोग प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स और कैन फूड्स खा रहे थे, जिसकी वजह से ओबिसिटी का रेट इंक्रीज हुआ. एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yeah, yeah.
ओके जिसकी वजह से ओबिसिटी का रेट इंक्रीज हुआ, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर हो गया, हाई शुगर लेवल्स हो गया, ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स हाई हो गए, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल ज्यादा हो गया, और गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल जो है वो बॉडी के अंदर कम हो गया. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट पीपल हैव टू डू इज कैन फूड्स और प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स को अवॉइड करके घर के खाने के अंदर दे शुड ऐड मेनी थिंग.
All right.
या
जैसे
सो
कि
आई थिंक
जैसे
वी
कि
शुड
what
बी
can we
हैप्पी.
add?
जैसे कि अगर हम, वही मैंने आपको बताया ना, अगर हम पास्ता खा रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें अच्छा खाना खाना है, हम घर का दाल
Right.
रोटी खा के वी ऑल आर लाइक इरिटेटेड दैट वी डोंट लाइक वांट टू ऐड मोर ऑफ दाल रोटी. तो व्हीट पास्ता खा लो ना, उसमें वेजिटेबल ज्यादा डाल दो. चाउमीन खा रहे हो तो व्हीट चाउमीन खा लो. Right? So we can do this. And like the other day, I made pancakes, but I made pancakes in atta instead of making them in maida. I made it with atta, and I put organic honey over it. And trust me, Surbi, I tried it to follow it in a diet form, and it helped me to lose weight as well. And if you make homemade cake with bonbon biscuits, it comes out so well. So you can try that. I'll give you the
I
recipe.
made ice cream. I made ice cream and I finished it midnight watching a movie. A whole box of ice cream midnight watching a movie at 2:30.
So I think we should clap for Surbhi Sharma because she made
No,
ice
no,
cream,
please.
but
No,
eating it in the night was the wrong
nothing of
thing.
that sort. My always concern is about people having huge temptation to eat. जो मतलब बस craving
हाँ
होती है, let's have something. कुछ काम नहीं है, खा लो. अच्छा काम हो गया,
हाँ
अब
हाँ
फिर खा लो. You know, अभी काम करने जाना है, we'll be busy for 2 hours, उससे पहले खा लो. So you know,
फिर
people
खा लो.
are actually
हाँ
living this kind of life, and my friends are like, are we just cooking the whole day? Busy cooking the whole day.
या एक्चुअली आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा है जो विमेन्स है ना वो ज्यादा बिजी हो गई हैं इन्हीं चीजों में,
Very
टू
busy.
मेक कुकिंग इंस्टेड. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? वी शुड लाइक वुमेन्स को, दे शुड मेक देयर चिल्ड्रन टू वर्क आउट विद देम. व्हाई नॉट? वी कैन स्टार्ट अ नाइस 1 hour की डांस क्लास विद देम. व्हाई कांट वी डू दैट? और लाइक मदर्स विद चिल्ड्रन, व्हाई कांट दे डू 1 hour yoga with them? Instead of eating together, it's good we eat, but now we should focus on little physical activity because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि how will the kids grow? The physical development will stop because every time they are in front of the gadgets.
That's a
and
fact.
the
Even for their
and
studies, they need to be in front of the gadgets now.
हाँ, एंड बेस्ट पार्ट इज अगर लूडो भी प्ले करनी है सुरभि, वो भी फोन पे प्ले करनी है.
फोन पे
इट्स नॉट
करनी है.
It's not on those boxes. It's like I want to play Ludo but on phone. So what are you doing? It's only gadgets now. So I think we should not of this gadget thing. We should use gadgets. हाँ कनेक्टिव करो उसको but not for playing. I think those indoor activities को we should highlight for them. Puzzles, Scrabbles, वो सब कहाँ है? Do that.
That's true.
बचपन में
No,
हम
I
पिट्ठू खेलते थे.
honestly मैं
You
इस
know,
चीज को
so,
फॉलो करती हूँ, बहुत डेडिकेटेडली फॉलो करती हूँ. Playing
hmm,
Scrabble, chess,
hmm,
Mad और even Ludo on board games. बट
hmm,
फोन को
hmm.
कंस्ट्रक्टिव यूज तो नहीं कह सकती क्योंकि मेरा काम ऐसा है. बट यस, मेरे पास स्केच बुक्स
Yeah.
रहती हैं, तो आई ऑलवेज स्केच. आई
Yeah,
ऑलवेज कीप
I've
समथिंग
seen
to
beautiful
अवॉइड
sketches
माई
you
फोन.
make. Yeah,
Yeah, so that is the
beautiful
first
sketches you
attempt in my
make.
life that I've made, and only for
Yeah,
staying away from phone.
right. And I'll come for those classes, the sketching classes to you.
हाँ, no no, I let me just मैं लॉकडाउन के अंदर प्रोफेशनली स्केच करने लग जाऊँ, रियलिस्टिक स्केच, so I'll make yours also.
Oh, how
Realistic
sweet.
sketch and gift you on your birthday. But once I need to
Oh,
learn
sweet.
that. Although मैंने भी करा,
Hmm,
I had an off and I did go on for the online classes. So I think
hmm.
you should start the online workshops also for us, please. So that we
Yeah.
could have a good session online being with you and live a healthy life. At least थोड़ा और टाइम आपके साथ स्पेंड करें just to understand कि वो healthy new routines क्या हो सकते
एंड
हैं.
सुरभि पता है हम लोगों ने ना लॉकडाउन को वी हैव टेकन इट वेरी नेगेटिवली. व्हाट वी शुड डू इट, अभी हमें पता है कि वी हैव टू फाइट इट, तो हम इसको मोर मीनिंगफुल एंड वी शुड मेक इट मोर कंस्ट्रक्टिव एंड वी शुड मेक इट मोर प्रोडक्टिव. आई
Right.
थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. We can read books. Where is the books reading? We should read more books and we should be more positive about it. कंस्ट्रक्टिव जितना हम उसको करेंगे उतना हम पॉजिटिव कर पाएंगे.
Actually, Gitika, मुझे ये लग रहा है because we were not never mentally prepared for it, and now we
Hmm.
have got used to it, but still हमें ये लग रहा है, no, the cases are increasing. Everyone keeps on asking the same question. मैम, ये lockdown कब तक बढ़ेगा? ये कब तक चलेगा? Now is it going to
Hmm.
be lockdown 4.0? But people are not
Hmm.
understanding the need of the hour. उन्हें ये समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इस वक्त कितना precautions लेके उन्हें रहना होगा. No doubt
हाँ.
हमारे पास कोई मेडिसिन नहीं है इस चीज़ की. तो
Hmm.
मैं
Hmm.
बार
Hmm.
बार वही समझाती हूँ that immunity is the best thing, and I think you are the best person to guide about all the immunity boosters or how we really need to take care of our health, because once we are healthy, एक तो ना ये भी डर हो गया है, कोई भी बीमारी हो जाए, जरा सा जुकाम खांसी हो जाए, people like,
तो
ओ ये
कोविड
क्या
हो गया.
सिम्टम है, ओ ये क्या सिम्टम है, एलर्जीज हो जाए, छींके आना शुरू हो जाए, they get afraid of it.
But सच में Surbhi, you know what? I had so many cases in which people like they were contaminated and like they were like कि हमें fever हो गया. I had many cases like while I was giving diet plans, okay, कि हमें fever हो गया और हमें breathlessness हो रही है और हमें लग रहा है हमारे पैर टेढ़े हो रहे हैं, and like I have to take responsibility that my the person who's associated with me वो जल्दी ठीक हो जाए. And then I start giving them hot water and the detox drinks are given to them, and then I tell them कि पालक और pineapple का पानी पियो, and this green smoothies are given to them, and we just try to detoxify the body. जब हम बॉडी को डिटॉक्सिफाई करते हैं ना अंदर से, जब हम क्लेंस करेंगे बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी बना देता है अपनी. एंड अभी कैप्स लॉक्स में फूड इज द मेडिसिन, राइट. सो वी शुड मेक फूड एंड व्हाट इज द बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट. अभी तक हम लोग कहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट करते थे? अभी तक वी यूज टू इन्वेस्ट इन द मार्केट्स, बट आई थिंक नाउ वी यूज टू इन्वेस्ट, नाउ वी शुड इन्वेस्ट इन आवर हेल्थ. And because and I think the whole world should do that.
I hope people should understand that, yeah. People should really understand that.
After
Why
this I
don't we
think they
start
will.
with the workshop things, that for 1 week we should do this, the second week we should follow this sort of a routine. कि एक हफ्ते का ये target रखें, we should have this kind of challenge. I'll also participate. I'll also take
Oh,
this
thank you so much for the advice. I'll definitely work over that.
because once we set a goal, we have a challenge to fulfill. I think then only we get on it with dedicatedly. Otherwise, we're like, हाँ हो जाएगा. This kind of
Yeah.
mentality and the approach that we have. There are many people who think, नहीं हमें कुछ नहीं होगा. We are fine. We have no symptoms. So they don't want to take precautions also.
No, I think precautions are very important. And as this thing has not been lined up कि ये कब तक चलेगा. अभी as you said, Mr. Modi can announce anything more. Maybe we are coming up with fourth lockdown. Like
Right.
you never know what's gonna go up. Surbi's eyes are on the TV only. What breaking news is coming
Yeah,
next?
that's what I'm reading. The statement by PM कि we understand economically सब कुछ बहुत important है. He had a meeting with the chief ministers all over India. एंड
Okay.
आज की मीटिंग का आउटपुट वही निकल के आ रहा है दैट लॉकडाउन अपनी जगह ठीक है, बट
Hmm.
इकोनॉमी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जाए तो वी शुड ओपन अप थिंग्स फॉर पीपल, बट द फैक्ट इज
Right.
पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज अगर वो ग्राउंड लेवल पे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और मास्क और उन चीज़ों को नहीं
हाँ.
ध्यान रखेंगे तो इट विल अफेक्ट द पीपल इटसेल्फ.
Right. And छोटी सी चीज है, you can keep a sanitizer, alcohol वाला sanitizer in your pockets and just keep on sanitizing again and again. What's the issue? Even if you're out, just go out with a reason. अब हम ऐसे नहीं घूम सकते जैसे हम पहले घूमते थे. So just keep a small sanitizer in your pocket. And we can like, this is a very small thing, then I think these small measures will definitely help you to win over.
True. On that day I was having conference with the principals. You know, we were like near about 20
Hmm.
principals all together,
Okay.
and they were like they were doing every bit for homeschooling, everything.
हाँ. Hmm, hmm,
What
hmm.
after this? What after this? I'm sure we will never go to mall now. This year at least.
Yeah.
And
Right.
अगर schools lockdown के बाद खुल भी जाते हैं, are we really prepared to send our kids, or you know, we want them to have the access outside our home right now, even after two
No.
months?
Yeah, actually, the fear is there. So that's
The
what
fear
we
is
need
there.
to do is, yeah, the fear is there. And like, we have to accept that the virus is around us. Okay. So we need to adapt few strategies like sleep has to be done. ओके, ग्लव्स पहनने हैं, मास्क पहनना है, हैंड वॉश करना है, ग्रोसरी जो घर में आ रही है उसको वॉश करना है. इट कैन बी वॉश्ड विद सोप, इट कैन बी वॉश्ड विद बेकिंग सोडा और सोक इट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, और यू कैन कीप इट इन द सन. ये सब हमें करना है, सैनिटाइजेशन करना है. डिटॉल के स्प्रेज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Washing your hand again and again is important. Just peel off what you're taking. You know, if you're eating anything, just peel it off. So these are very small, and like drink a lot of water, because what I feel is people don't drink a lot of water. So detoxification ka main important thing is just drink water and hydrate yourself. More urine you're passing, like you are throwing off the toxins. एंड जब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, माइल्ड एक्सरसाइज, हमें मॉडरेट एक्सरसाइज करनी है. जब आप मॉडरेट एक्सरसाइज करते हो तो आपकी बॉडी जो है वो इम्यूनिटी फाइटिंग सेल्स को बिल्ड करती है. यू आर एक्चुअली एबल टू फाइट द इम्यूनिटी, यू नो, फाइट द इन्फेक्शंस. So why not? And these are very small things, and I think we can do it together.
Yeah, we have to create a healthy mindset first to execute things. I think जब तक हमारा healthy mindset नहीं होगा, हम चीज़ों को execute नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम उन्हें implement नहीं कर पाएंगे, right?
Right.
That mindset and that mind approach. So please, I think I've covered everything. Anything else that you would like to, you know, share with people which you really think so we should adapt and we should understand?
I think we've covered everything.
Yeah.
And
So now we have
thanks
to
a
get into new
lot.
challenges now.
Definitely. And thanks a ton for coming. It was
Anytime.
really
We will
nice.
soon join up again and discuss something that's new and more relevant. Let's see what happens after
Yeah.
17th May.
Yeah,
So
and I
let's
really
catch
hope
up
that
soon.
after,
Another
like,
deep.
after we had talked about this, people are more aware and they will start working over what we have
Yes,
actually
I'm
said.
sure. I'm sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm sure.
yeah.
I'm sure. Chaliye, take care,
ठीक है.
Gitika. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Thanks a
thank
lot.
you,
Looking
Surbi.
forward to, you know, have a word with you and start new challenges, or even follow things that you actually keep on guiding regularly.
Yeah. So, India, stay safe and stay healthy.